Hello everyone. I have to admit it has been some time, but I've just been watching what's taking place in the world, finishing up my documentary on a new understanding of the universe, and in view of the craziness taking place all around the world, I think it's time that we learn a new way of dealing with universal mechanics and dynamics. So I've put together a documentary called A New Understanding of the Universe, which is available now. For all the critical thinkers, all those who carry the flame of truth, take a look. I hope it touches your heart the way it comes from mine. May God keep you safe.
Welcome to an in-depth look at Terrence Howard's digital headquarters on the Conqr platform. Known for his roles in Hustle and Flow and Empire, Howard has pivoted toward a more ambitious role: a polymath, inventor, and theoretical scientist. His Conqr page at conqrdirect.com/Terrence Howard is the central hub for this new chapter, inviting followers into his world of Terryology and unconventional physics. The website is a direct-to-fan ecosystem. Unlike traditional social media, Conqr allows Howard to build a gated community of thought leaders, disruptors, and entrepreneurs. The landing page features a call to action for those who question systems instead of following them. Howard's primary goal is mentorship. He's looking for a new generation of thinkers built differently to challenge established norms. The platform offers 3 subscription tiers: the forum at $9.99 a month, the Roundtable at $49.99, and the Elite Think Tank at $99.99. Each level provides increasing access to exclusive posts, early access to new content, and community chats. The Think Tank, in particular, is designed for those who want the deepest level of engagement, offering direct message access and a seat at the table for Howard's most advanced discussions on science and philosophy. A prominent feature on the site is the Lynchpin. To Howard, the Lynchpin is the fundamental geometric key to the universe, a sacred geometry dictating how matter and energy interact. Howard has translated these principles into physical technology, most notably the Lynchpin drone, a unique 6-motor flight system he claims operates on principles traditional aeronautics ignores. On his site, you'll find references to his Lynchpin project, where he has challenged engineers to build and fly these models. He believes this technology could revolutionize flight, energy, and the structure of spacetime itself. Another key section is Open the Flower, referring to Howard's work on the 3D flower of life. While an ancient symbol, Howard has developed a 3-dimensional model he claims reveals a 6,000-year-old secret about reality. This ties into his philosophy, Terryology, which famously includes his assertion that 1 times 1 equals 2. While mainstream science often dismisses these claims, Howard uses Conqr to provide the hard drive, a massive digital repository of his research, drawings, and mathematical proofs. This section is a treasure trove for those willing to look at the world through his lens, containing years of work that he believes will eventually overturn the current scientific paradigm. Additionally, the Shop section allows followers to purchase physical representations of these theories, further bridging the gap between abstract concepts and tangible reality. Beyond theories, the site offers direct engagement through a ticketed contest. For $96, followers can enter a monthly drawing for a group Zoom call with Howard. The site encourages buying multiple tickets to increase odds, emphasizing that Howard is actively seeking individuals to mentor. This highlights his plan to move away from Hollywood's one-way communication toward a 2-way collaborative environment. By hosting these Zoom calls, Howard isn't just sharing information. He is building a network of allies who can help him implement his vision on a global scale. He is looking for the next generation of disruptors who are ready to take his mentorship and run with it. In summary, Terrence Howard's Conqr page is a digital manifesto where celebrity, science, and spirituality blur. His plans are clear. He intends to bypass traditional academic gatekeepers, sharing his Lynchpin technology and Terryology directly with a community of believers. Whether you view him as a misunderstood genius or a radical dreamer, His Conqr site is the definitive place to witness his attempt to reshape the world, one disruptor at a time. This has been a description of Terrence Howard's vision for the future, as seen through the lens of his Conqr platform.